Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern outdoor living space seamlessly connected to a sleek contemporary home. Large floor-to-ceiling glass doors open onto a spacious wooden deck, creating a smooth transition between indoor and outdoor living. The deck is furnished with cozy seating arrangements and warm lighting, making it an inviting spot for evening relaxation.The in the background, a modern outdoor fireplace glows softly, adding warmth and ambience. The surrounding garden is beautifully landscaped with a mix of ornamental grasses, flowering plants, and small trees. Soft ground lighting highlights the greenery and creates a magical nighttime atmosphere. A pathway of large rectangular stone slabs set in a bed of small pebbles leads through the garden. Decorative fire bowls placed along the path add a striking focal point and provide additional light and warmth. The overall design blends minimalism and elegance, turning the backyard into a luxurious retreat that is perfect for entertaining or peaceful solitude. Mediterranean-style courtyard filled with warmth and rustic charm. The house is built with beautiful stone walls and topped with traditional terracotta roof tiles, giving it a timeless, sun-soaked character. The courtyard is bright and inviting, featuring a mix of gravel paths and terracotta brick flooring that lead the eye toward the open double doors connecting the indoors and outdoors seamlessly. Potted lavender plants and lush greenery are scattered throughout, filling the space with vibrant color and natural fragrance. Comfortable outdoor seating, including cushioned lounge chairs and wooden daybeds, invites relaxation under the shade of mature olive trees and a white parasol. The mix of greenery climbing up the walls and hanging over the tiled roof enhances the cozy, nature-connected feeling of the space. This courtyard perfectly blends rustic European design with comfort and elegance, making it ideal for leisurely afternoons, casual gatherings, or peaceful solitude under the Mediterranean sun. Tranquil garden corner designed to feel like a natural retreat. A charming wooden lattice fence surrounds the space, providing privacy while still allowing light and airflow. The focal point is a miniature waterfall cascading over smooth stones into a shallow pond filled with clear water and round pebbles, creating a soothing, peaceful sound. Lush green plants, including ferns and broad-leaved ground cover, frame the water feature and add a touch of wildness. A few hanging plants and bright red flowers in pots bring color and vibrancy to the earthy tones of the wood and stones. The pebbled pathway enhances the rustic look, making the area feel like a tiny woodland oasis. Overall, this is a beautifully serene garden corner, perfect for meditation, relaxation, or simply enjoying the calming sound of running water. Modern Zen-style courtyard garden, perfectly blending nature with contemporary design. The space features a sleek stone pathway made of smooth black stepping stones surrounded by small golden pebbles, guiding the eye toward a beautiful vertical water feature cascading gently down a tiled wall.I in the foreground. A circular stone water bowl creates a soft bubbling fountain, adding a soothing sound to the tranquil atmosphere. The garden is lushly planted with tropical greenery, including broadleaf plants and ferns, which bring vibrant life and texture to the space. Natural boulders are artfully placed among the plants, enhancing the sense of harmony with nature. Large glass sliding doors open to a warm, softly lit indoor space, seamlessly connecting the interior and exterior areas. The overall design radiates calmness and balance, making this courtyard an ideal retreat for meditation, reading, or quiet reflection. A charming and well-organized backyard garden designed for both beauty and functionality. A pebble pathway lined with circular stepping stones leads through the narrow space, creating a cozy and inviting walkway. On either side of the path are raised garden beds filled with lush greenery, herbs, and small flowering plants, adding life and color to the scene. Against the wooden exterior wall of the house, potted plants and hanging planters are neatly arranged, creating a vertical garden effect. A large black rain barrel stands to the right, hinting at an eco-friendly water-saving system, while string lights hang overhead, adding a warm and inviting glow in the evening.At the end of the garden, a black metal tub planter or small container pond sits as a focal point, surrounded by more potted plants, giving the area a sense of depth and purpose. The overall design feels like a modern urban oasis, perfect for relaxing, growing fresh vegetables and herbs, and enjoying a quiet escape from the city. Beautiful Spanish-style courtyard that feels like a serene, private retreat. The space is enclosed by rustic brick walls and clay-tiled roofs, with lush green vines climbing along the walls and archways, giving the entire courtyard a timeless, romantic charm. The ground is paved with a mix of stone and terracotta tiles, with patches of soft green moss and grass growing between them, creating a natural, earthy look. Potted plants of various sizes line the edges, filled with vibrant flowers and leafy greenery, adding bursts of color and life. Large wooden-framed glass doors open into the surrounding rooms, allowing plenty of natural light to flow inside and offering a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. At the far end, a cozy dining table sits beneath the arched brick entryway, perfect for enjoying meals in the fresh air. The entire courtyard exudes a warm and welcoming atmosphere, combining natural elements with rustic architecture to create a space ideal for relaxation, conversation, and intimate gatherings. A stunning modern outdoor space that blends architecture and nature seamlessly. A sleek, contemporary house with floor-to-ceiling glass walls opens directly onto a serene garden and pool area, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The foreground features a minimalist stone pathway of round stepping stones laid over smooth white pebbles, guiding the viewer's eye toward the pool. Strategically placed lanterns create a soft, inviting glow, enhancing the tranquil ambience. The lush landscaping includes tropical plants, small shrubs, and large decorative rocks, giving the space a natural and calming aesthetic. In the background, a small waterfall flows gently into the pool, adding movement and the soothing sound of running water. The entire scene exudes peace and relaxation, with the soft golden light of sunset filtering through the trees, making this outdoor area perfect for meditation, evening gatherings, or simply unwinding in a private paradise. Cozy outdoor seating area under a wooden pergola, beautifully draped with blooming pink and red climbing roses. The pergola provides a shaded retreat while allowing dappled sunlight to filter through. The seating area features a large, L-shaped wicker sofa with beige cushions and throw pillows, creating a warm and inviting space for relaxation or conversation. A rustic woven coffee table sits in the center, topped with a vase of fresh flowers. The floor is made of brick tiles, adding to the rustic charm of the setting. Surrounding the pergola are lush potted plants and more climbing vines, giving the space a natural, enclosed garden feel. Petals scattered on the grass and bricks add a romantic, serene touch. This space perfectly blends comfort and nature, making it an ideal spot for morning coffee, reading, or evening gatherings. A peaceful garden scene featuring a small, round koi pond surrounded by smooth river stones and a natural stone edge. The pond is filled with colorful koi fish, their orange and white bodies creating gentle ripples on the water's surface. A small waterfall made of stacked rocks trickles softly into the pond, adding to the tranquil atmosphere.To the left, there is a simple wooden bench, inviting visitors to sit and enjoy the relaxing view. Lush green plants and leafy shrubs surround the pond, blending beautifully with the surrounding forest. A stone pathway leads away from the pond, disappearing into the greenery and giving the space a secret garden feel. Bright orange flowers in the foreground add a cheerful pop of color, while tall trees in the background provide shade and complete the serene, natural setting. This is the perfect spot for quiet reflection, meditation, or simply enjoying the soothing sounds of water and nature.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.